Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Philly cheesesteaks. Alright, I'm starting on a large skillet I've preheated. I'm going to add in some olive oil. And I pre-did these. I have 2 green bell peppers and 1 large onion I sliced up. I'm going to get that in and I'm going to start to saute these until they start to soften up. Alright, now that my peppers and onions are just about softened up, I have some steakums. These are the thin sliced sandwich steaks. And Dex was really talkative today, guys. I'm going to go ahead and break these up in here. Alright, now that I have all my steakums in, I'm going to continue frying this over medium heat and stirring it until the steaks are nice and browned up. Right, while my steaks are frying, I have a 15-ounce jar of cheese dip. This is like Cheez-It or Cheese Whiz. I put it in a pan. I'm going to add a little milk to thin it out. You could also use canned cheese sauce, or if you just want to put sliced cheese on it, it'll be fine. I'm going to thin this out and I'm going to heat it up because it's going to go on our cheese sticks. Alright, my cheese sauce is melted. My steak is nice and done. I drained off the excess grease. Let's go ahead and fix up a hoagie and see what we got. Went ahead and put that cheese sauce on there. Let me get in here and give this a try. That's really good. The cheese is kind of tiny, so if you're not a fan of Cheese Whiz, you might want to use a more milder cheese. Philly cheesesteaks. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.